Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the best way to make money online in 2019 for beginners. So with that being said, cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and how you can make big money online in 2019 even if you're a beginner. So the very first thing is you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing, because there are so many people that are just trying to sell just very small commissions and they get 20 bucks here, 10 bucks here. And I just made a video about how you can really start with making money on Amazon, and that's typically very small commissions. And if you're really starting out, before, like, you haven't got any sales yet, this is probably a good way to do it. But then you want to move on to high ticket affiliate marketing, because if you want to make $1,000 a month, for example, and you're just selling things on Amazon and you're getting 10 bucks here, 20 bucks here, it will be very long before you get to even $1,000. But if you sell $1,000 items, this takes you exactly the same effort that it does if you're trying to sell really small items. So instead of having to sell 1,000 or 100 items for 10 bucks, you just have to sell one single item. And if you sell 10, you make $10,000. And that's $10,000 could be in a month. So that's why it's very important that you choose something where you can make very big commissions. Because if you're putting the work to make any sales, why not put in the work to make like the same amount of work that it would take to make $100 and instead make $10,000? So it's really, you just have to choose where you go, choose what you want to do, and that is how you're going to make the proper money. But you have to be serious about this. This is something that you have to treat as a business. It's going to be very long, very hard to make any sales if you don't actually put in the work. You see, I'm putting out content every single day. Like, I believe this video is going to be on the 31st of December that it's going to come out, and I'm going to, like, there was one on Christmas, there's going to be one on the 1st, it doesn't matter, but I'm putting out videos every single day. So you just have to have that mindset of putting content out all the time, because that is how you're going to get the commissions. It's just posting, whether it's on your blog or on your YouTube channel, posting content all the time, every single day. You just have to show up every day. If you don't show up every day, it's not going to work. So you just have to put in the work and get things done. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And make sure that you check out my other videos out as well, because I'm putting out so much content. You don't want to miss any of that out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.